Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been so good. It has been 23 days that I have not... Jade! It has been 23 days that I lasted with my no buy, no spend. I didn't go buck wild because I still don't want to spend, so this is kind of just a baby slip up, but nonetheless, Dollar Tree had new Valentine's Day stuff. So the first thing I got was this clear little container. It says it would hold 24 point fluid ounces, and it's got the pink little lid, and it does have a rubber seal gasket so that I mean, it's not crazy sturdy stuck on there, but it seals it a little bit. And this says love, and then it's got hearts in a bigger and a smaller font, and it does have the cute little carrying thing. Yeah, no, this definitely is not, like, it doesn't stay on very well. But next I got this little organizer right here. It comes with the lid. The lid does not lock on, but I do want to alter that like Jess did. And then I got this crayon box. This is the first time I've seen these plastic crayon boxes at a Dollar Tree ever. I've been gifted a couple of these and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. But you can alter these and send little goodies in them. Super cute. And then I got some beacon glue. I don't know what the tip on this looks like. Oh, it's pretty big. But I brought my Barely Arts, but I forgot to bring a tip. Oh my gosh, I was so mad, kicking myself in the butt. Next, Jess, who is Bits and Pieces 91, she posted these on her Instagram. And I was like, dang it, Jess, I'm gonna go break my no spend. And sure enough, I did, because they did have it. So this is like a lighter, like a normal pink, and then this is a brighter, like neonish pink, and then they also had red. But I didn't use the red. I just stuck with the two pink colors, and I'm obsessed with these. It's kind of got like almost a faux snow, and you could use these for Christmas too. Super cute. And then I got a pair of women's XO socks, and these are super soft, almost like not a fuzzy, but super cute, soft socks. And I will insert some footage of some more Valentine's Day stuff that I saw throughout the store. So they had these cute little plastic mason jar style cups with a lid and then the straw. They had 3 different designs. Then they had these cute little plastic containers with the lid, like the little pails, like paint pails. This one's like a hot pink with the hearts, and then the red with the solid red hearts. I went ahead and grabbed one of the pink ones. Then they had these little boxes, lots of different styles and sizes that have the Velcro closure to keep it closed. Just, you know, pop it up and open. Lots of different styles. And they had these red bins, Cupid's Corner, lots of candy. Then they had cute different, like a bunch of different style of socks all throughout like the store. This was just one of the hangers with the little socks, little dogs, Frenchies, porcupines, some more socks, more candy. Then they had some tissue paper. This has the red hearts on it. This had a gold foil tissue paper, just like goodies, rings, scarves. They had these little handled, like clear glassine style bags. That one had a unicorn with hearts, stripes, more hearts. Then over here they had some window clings. They had like door hanger jingle bells, some bins down at the bottom, some stuffed animals, some wall decor and like wood wall decor, art hanging stuff, the little Valentine's Day truck, lots of goodies rolling in. They still had lots of Christmas out. Then here they had the little Valentine's Day sacks, goodie bags, lots of erasers, and then more socks, some puffy styrofoam hearts, some wood hearts. These ones you can alter. They're kind of like wreaths, little baby wreaths. Then look at this mesh tool that I came because Jess, who is Bits and Pieces 91, shared on her Instagram. So I had to come to Dollar Tree and break my no spend. Here's some more goodies. This is that slime stuff in those containers. They had heart-shaped ones, and then the unicorn-shaped ones, you just empty those and put some sequins in them. Some conversation stickers, these little clear red containers shaped like hearts. They had some felt like hearts that you can put some ribbon through there and, you know, like kind of sew it on. some wood-shaped hearts, stickers, Valentine's Day candies. Here's some like little wood hanging. They were actually double-sided. I just realized once you flip around that it did have like a backside as well. So they had 3 little different designs of that. Then here's some vase filler, the little styrofoam balls. And then this pack had red, white, and purple. The other one had pink as the main color. And then they had these little like garden gnome, like, I don't know, to decorate your garden, like little elves or anything like that. Super cute. Look at this one. Like a little carousel, candy cane lane or something. I forgot. I can't read what it says. Then they had like little pieces of like candy and stuff that you could put on a fairy garden stuff. Unicorns, ice cream, a little tractor. Then I finally saw these crayon boxes. They had white, pink, and blue. And that's everything. I had to slow it down so I could say goodbye to you guys. All right, catch you on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.